Welcome student. Subject Mathematics 2 Standard 9th. Chapter number 3 Triangles. Question number 8. In the figure, line AB is parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are the angle bisectors of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Here's the solution. In the figure, line AB is parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Therefore, by converse of interior angle test of parallel lines, we know that the sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. Here, angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Multiply both the side of, we get half into angle PBQ plus half into angle PQD is equal to half into 180 degree. Let us keep a statement 1. It is given that ray PT, the angle bisector of BPQ, that is half into angle PPQ is equal to angle TPQ is equal to angle PPT. Also, ray QT is the angle bisector of angle PQD. Half into angle PQD is equal to angle TQP is equal to angle DQT. Substituting this value of statement 1, we have angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to half into 180 degree. Therefore, angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to 90 degree. Let us statement 2. Now consider triangle PQT. We know the sum of the measure of the triangles is 180 degree. Therefore, angle TPQ plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. But from statement 2, we have angle TPQ plus TQP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, 90 degree plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree, which means angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Hence, proved. Given figure and find the measure of angle A, angle B and angle C. Question number 9. Solution. In the figure, angle C forms a linear pair with the angle measuring 100 degree. Angle C plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 minus 100 degree, that is equal to 80 degree. Angle B forms the vertically opposite to say angle measuring 70 degree. So, angle B is also 70 degree. Since they are vertically opposite angle, now we have to find out the measurement of angle A. We know that sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Therefore, angle A plus 70 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 30 degree. Now, the answers are measure of angle A is 30 degree, measure of angle B is 70 degree and measure of angle C is equal to 80 degree. Question number 10. In the figure, line DE is parallel to line GF and ray EG and ray FG are the angle bisectors of angle DEF and angle DFM respectively. So that first angle DEF is equal to angle EDF. Now 2, angle EF is equal to FG. Solution. Line DE is parallel to line GF. DF is the transversal. angle EDF is equal to angle DFG. EF as a transversal. We can say angle DEF is equal to angle GFM. Angle GFM is equal to angle DFG. FG is an angle bisector. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to angle EDF. Now, taking EG as a transversal, angle DEG is equal to angle EGF. But angle DEG is equal to angle GEF since GE is the angle bisector. Therefore, angle EGF is equal to angle GEF. The side opposite to angle EGF, hence they are also equal. That is, EF is equal to FG. Thank you.